Hi, and welcome to your Wellness Wednesday video. Today, the essence that came up is the essence of mountain pride. And this essence came up to help us convert feelings of disappointment and dissatisfaction into positive change. And I feel it's pretty obvious why that's coming up right now. It came up under the area of cynicism, but what I think is really why it's coming up is all that dissatisfaction, tongue twister, that you are feeling with the world or with your life. This essence will help kind of light that spark and that strength to move out of dissatisfaction into positive change. And so I think it's such a beautiful offering from the flower essences for anyone who is feeling kind of stagnant in a negative loop of I'm not happy, this isn't good, and finding themselves complaining a lot about things, but not knowing what to do, or not feeling they can do anything, or not feeling like anything they do is going to be a big change. And by calling this in, it gives us that strength. And what I always think about with mountain pride is I think about mountain pose in yoga, because when you stand in mountain pose, there's just such strength and groundedness. And so I really feel that's what I feel with whenever I talk about mountain pride. And I feel like that's exactly why it's coming up. It's to give you that strength to stand up and move out of dissatisfaction and that negative loop of complaining and being upset and dissatisfied with things, and really to help you to move into a spiritual warrior kind of energy where you can bring about positive change. And this could be within your own life, but it could also be within the world. And so I just love that it came up, especially seeing as we are heading into the equinox in a couple days here. And we're at a new moon right now, which is a huge time to set intentions and a huge kind of rebirth energy. And so if this resonates for you, just simply take a deep breath, close your eyes, feel into your body, and repeat after me. I ask for the flower essence of mountain pride to enter my energy fields, energy body, and physical consciousness with the help of the divine. I ask for the flower essence of mountain pride to assist me with moving from dissatisfaction into positive action for change. I ask for the flower essence of mountain pride to manifest, to integrate, and to stabilize. And when you see stabilize, you can put your hands wherever you're feeling that energy move. This one could be anywhere, solar plexus, feet, kind of depending on where the energy wants to come in to support you in moving that disappointment and that cynicism into the positive action. You may want to call it in a few times. And this is a great one whenever you're feeling dissatisfied and feeling like you're not sure what to do. This one can help bring that strength to help you and support you in moving forward in the way that you want to towards a positive change. And as always, if you're interested in a personal healing session, you can book a soul alignment session where I connect with your soul and higher guidance, and we follow a path of healing and growth that's carved out by your soul step by step by step. In the meantime, take care and much love.